guys, hope you're well. In this video we're going to be comparing Allied World War II kit. So we've got an original 1944 dated US folding shovel and a 1945 dated original World War II British Army entrenching tool. Let's do this. So let's start with an overview. Start with the US folding shovel. Take it out of its webbing pouch. You simply fold the shovel head over and turn this to lock the head out onto the handle, and there you go, it's ready to go. Good bit of weight to it, feels really sturdy, nice hardwood looking handle, so yeah, expecting this to perform really well. So in comparison, the British entrenching tool, you simply pull the handle out of the webbing. It's quite tight fit so the handle doesn't flop out. So the handle's got this metal ferrule on the end to protect the wood, and then on this end it's got a lug, and on this lug it's made for a number 4 Enfield bayonet, which just fits with a twist like so. And they used to use this for clearing landmines, or worst case scenario, you've got a weapon. But we're on about the digging today, so let's take that off. Go back to our webbing pouch. So in here you've got the head of the tool. You take that out, simply drop the handle in, give it a knock, and there it is, ready to go. There's some weight to this and it feels really strong, so I'm quite interested to see how well this digs. So for comparison, US World War II, British World War II. What I'm going to do is set a timer on the phone for 10 minutes, dig with each tool for 10 minutes, and then afterwards we'll compare how much soil's been moved, how much area has been excavated out, and then we'll know the clear winner of which was the better digging implement in World War II. Right guys, I've got 10 minutes set up on the timer. World War II British is going to go up first, so I'll hit start and just get straight to it. So there's the 10 minutes guys, quite an impressive hole with the British Army pick. Hole's almost as deep as the handle, so yeah, after 80 years this is still an awesome tool, perfectly capable of doing new digging. The pick is really handy when the ground's hard. It's probably a lot stronger than some of the folding shovels you'll buy now, and on the plus side, where it's got a wooden handle, if you manage to snap it, you're in the woods, you can just make another one. It's a winner. So I'm going to dig the US hole right next door, just so it's the same ground, the same roots, the same stones, keep it as fair as possible, and then we can do a comparison right next to each other side by side. So let's do it. So guys, here we go, World War II US, 10 minutes on the timer, let's do it. Blimey, finding it hard to get any depth with it, the ground's really hard. First few inches it's going in no problem, but trying to get any depth on it, one of these stones, there's so many flints here. There you go guys, 10 minutes, so let's compare the two. So there we go guys, there's both holes, there's the US and the World War II British entrenching tool, and I'm going to give the win to the British entrenching tool just because the hole's a bit bigger, there's definitely more in the spoil pile. But saying that, I think if the US shovel was digging in a stone-free ground, it would have absolutely killed it, because that thing definitely would be a beast. It was the stones that were holding it up. So yeah, definitely going to give the win to the British entrenching tool on this occasion. Thing is, you can still pick up both of these tools cheaper than the all singing all dancing modern folding equivalents, and these will probably last another 80 years and be much stronger. So if they were good enough for the soldiers in World War II, they're definitely good enough for us doing bushcraft and survival training. I hope you enjoyed the video guys. If you did, do me a massive favour, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel for similar content. It just helps YouTube push all my videos to a much bigger audience, and then I can just get better and bigger content for you as my channel grows. Thanks very much, I'll see you next time.